And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. This is a reach out for help video. My next big project, the reversible feed for my shear line lathe. I've opened up the motor control box and photographed it, and I've reached out to another YouTube poster saying, hey man, help me. Can you see where I could solder in a rheostat or a variable potentiometer or a variable resistor or just plain freaking resistor? I want to slow this down really slow. I don't want to make gears and pulleys. I've got another motor perfect for gears and pulleys. I want to go for electronic speed reduction. Anyway, there are pictures of this victim posted in this video. If you know anything, anybody out there knows where I can solder in something to slow down this motor drastically. Something like 1 or 2 RPM. Anyway, I'm going to go now. Anyone out there can help me? Please do.